Hello everyone, my name is Shivani Yadav. Today date in 25 August 2022. Today's topic on difference between compiler, assembler and interpreter. In computing, a compiler is a computer program that translates computer code written in programming languages, the source languages into the another languages. The target languages in the name of compiler is primary used in compiler used for program that's source code from high level language to the low level language. In assembly language, object code and machine code to create a executable program. Mm, there are many different type of compiler which is produce output in different useful from cross compiler produce code with the different CPU and operating system. Then the ones of which is the cross compiler is itself runs. A bootstrap compiler is the often in a temporary compiler used for compiling a more permanent compiler for languages. Related software included a program that translate from the low level language to the high level language. One of the decompiler in program that translate between high level language usually is called a source code compiler to translator a language in usually in programs that frames that translates from of expressions with the out change compiler is the that produce a computer part of one of two genetic and usable way to use as to be able to produce a difference compiler assembler computer programming assembly language assembler language or similar machine often refer to the simply an assembly and commonly assembles is any low level language with a very strong language usually has one statement part machine instruction to constant comments assembler difference in the constant compilers location restricted one of the symbolic label e.g. Memory locations and micro are generally also supported. The interpreter is the computer that is directly executed or object code on the immediately execute and generally use one of the following strategy for programming executions. Pass the source code and perform its behavior directly. Mm, Translate source code into the some efficient immediate representation or object code and immediately executed that. Explicitly execute stored programmers. Interpreter is various type of also from constructed by many languages or transitivity associated with the competition such as interpreter. There are a difference between the compiler, assembler and interpreter. Thank you.